Living in Clearwater means enjoying beautiful coastal views, warm weather, and a relaxed lifestyle. However, the Florida climate also presents challenges, from high humidity to hurricanes, making it essential for homeowners to invest in durable, energy-efficient windows. If you're considering home improvements, replacing your old windows with high-quality replacements is one of the smartest investments you can make. Here's why. Enhanced energy efficiency. Clearwater's hot summers and mild winters mean that homeowners rely on air conditioning for most of the year. Old or inefficient windows can lead to air leaks, causing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up energy bills. Modern replacement windows come with advanced insulation features, such as double or triple pane glass for better temperature control, low-E coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, argon or krypton gas fills to improve insulation. These features help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing your energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Protection against hurricanes and extreme weather. Clearwater is no stranger to hurricanes and tropical storms. Standard windows may not withstand high winds or flying debris, putting your home and family at risk. Impact-resistant replacement windows are specifically designed to endure Florida's extreme weather conditions. They feature reinforced glass that resists shattering, heavy-duty frames for extra strength, secure locking systems to prevent wind pressure damage. By upgrading to impact-resistant windows, you can safeguard your home while potentially lowering your homeowner's insurance premiums. Increased home value. Replacing your windows is one of the best ways to increase your home's market value. Prospective buyers in Clearwater look for homes with energy-efficient, hurricane-resistant, and aesthetically pleasing windows. According to real estate experts, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their investment when selling their home. Improved indoor comfort. Drafty windows can create uncomfortable temperature fluctuations in your home. With new replacement windows, you'll experience consistent indoor temperatures without cold or hot spots, reduced outside noise for a quieter living space, better humidity control, preventing mold and mildew growth. This makes your home not only more comfortable but also healthier. Lower maintenance and durability. The old windows often require frequent upkeep, such as painting, caulking, or repairing damaged frames. New replacement windows made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum offer durability and low maintenance, eliminating the need for constant repairs. Many modern windows also come with self-cleaning glass coatings, making it easier to maintain a clear, streak-free view. Protection from UV damage. Florida's abundant sunshine is wonderful, but prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork inside your home. Replacement windows with UV blocking technology help protect your interiors while still allowing plenty of natural light to brighten your space. Enhanced home security. Security is a priority for any homeowner. Many new replacement windows come with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems for added protection, tempered or laminated glass that resists break-ins, reinforced window frames to deter forced entry. These features provide peace of mind, ensuring that your home remains a safe haven. Customization and aesthetic appeal. Modern replacement windows are available in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer traditional double-hung windows, contemporary picture windows, or sleek awning windows, you can find an option that enhances both the interior and exterior of your home. Final thoughts. Investing in replacement windows for your Clearwater home is a smart decision that pays off in multiple ways. From improved energy efficiency and hurricane protection to enhanced security and aesthetic appeal, new windows add long-term value and comfort to your home. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home for resale or simply want to enjoy lower energy bills and a more beautiful living space, replacement windows are an excellent choice. If you're ready to explore your options, consider consulting a trusted window professional in Clearwater to find the best fit for your home's needs.